Thought I should note a couple things about cleaning. So, since I got it all apart, in here, this stove has like a flap to force it through the to the reburning part through the ceramic, so you can burn the gases off. But to do that, you close this so it has to go through the ceramic wafer. Now this one, it didn't want to stay up like before. I had to like jam it, and what it is stuff built up right here, just debris that fell back, built up in here, so it wouldn't stay there good. So I've cleaned that out. So now it works good again. All good. Cleaned out as much as I could back in there. And then I reached in here and cleaned that out. Let's see if you can see, yeah. There wasn't a lot of buildup. There was some though. So I did get that. And then, so hopefully we're good and clear now. You can feel a good pull up through there. It really wasn't like, it was, I don't know, maybe a 3/4 of an inch, maybe an inch in the back, maybe. Not a lot. But we're not using this, you know, this isn't getting used full time either, so. But it has been a good year before I've cleaned it. So actually probably even longer. Okay, so I think I got it cleaned out. I'll clean the ashes out later, but that can happen at any time. This door is much better now. I removed normally you have gasket here, but the gasket wasn't allowing this door to close good. And I thought maybe the door warped, and maybe it did a little bit, slightly. But now that gasket is out of there, I can close it much better, much better. So I'm not gonna put the gasket back in. I think it was just too much, and I think this stove works better without it. So I'm happy with that. This door I really never open, so we're gonna just leave that the way it is. Okay, let's next I need to put in the damper, and I'll get that in and then do a little video on that, but very important for me. I feel dampers are very, very important. So I need to get that in there. And the trick is getting in the right location, drilling the holes on the opposite side of the pipe so you get it centered. Okay, so I'm going to do that and then I'll show you that.